Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce the wire harness of Binize car radio stereo. Well, there are two sets of wire harness here, and let me introduce the first set. Okay, this three wire means the power cable, and let me introduce them. The first one is the yellow one, means battery, should connect to your car battery positive side. And this black one means ground, should connect to your car battery negative side. And this ACC wire should connect to your car ACC. When your engine is on, so the radio will on. When your engine is off, the radio will off. Next, there are two steering wheel controls, the pink one and this one. There are two of them. For some cars, need two steering wheel controls, but for some cars only need one. So if your car only need one, you can connect each of them to your car steering wheel control. That will work. Well, this one is for backup camera. So connect this wire to your car backup camera, then it will work. I will introduce this wire later with another cable, or the other cable, and to see how it works. Well, this is the yellow one. Now the single wire comes in the package. This one is also for the backup camera. So these two wires connect to your car battery. Connect to your car backup camera, and it will work. And this one means little lamp test. That means when your car is when it's dark, your car radio will light up when you open the front light, or when it's in dark. Well, rest of these wires, well, you can see this one. This one is for antenna. This is for one antenna. And the rest of the wires are for speakers. Well, remember, there are 4 speakers in your car. So this 8 wire should connect to your speakers positive and negative side. So make sure the 4 speakers will work. Well, next, let me introduce this set. This wire harness set. And let me introduce the first two. The pink one means amplifier, and this blue one means subwoofer. So connect the two of them to your car amplifier and subwoofer. That will work. Well, the rest of them, let me introduce them separately. The first one is video in, audio out, aux in, and a video out, audio out. Now that's all the car wire harness. So if you have any problems, please contact our Facebook page. And if you don't know how to connect to your car wire harness, I will help you step by step. And here